Welcome to Dreamy Days Art! Today we are drawing Peppa Pig boating with her family. So go grab your painting colors and brushes. First, we will start with the water. Draw some nice wavy lines at the bottom. We will draw a big boat on the waves. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. We'll start with his face. Draw Peppa Pig's big round face and his cute snout. Now let's add his eyes and his little glasses. Next, let's draw his happy mouth and his cheek. Don't forget his mustache. Let's add his ears. Let's draw his body and his life jacket. Add his little hands holding the oar. Next, it's Peppa Pig's turn. Let's draw her snout and cute face. We will add her eyes, happy smiling mouth, and little cheek. Now draw her ears and her body. Add her little hands. Now let's draw George Pig. Start with his snout and little face. Add his eyes, cheek, and smiling mouth. Draw his body and ears. Finally, let's draw Mummy Pig. Start with cute snout and her face. Now add her eyes and ears. Let's give her a big happy smile and a little cheek. Next, draw her body and add her hands holding the oar. Coloring time! Let's start by coloring the skin of the whole pig family. We'll use pink for Papa Pig, Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Mama Pig. Next, let's use dark pink. Draw their nostrils and color their little cheeks with dark pink. Now let's color their mouths black. Now let's color their life jackets. We'll use yellow and orange to make them bright and colorful. The whole family is wearing bright life jackets and is ready for a fun and safe boat ride. Next, let's color the oars. Use brown for the handles. And let's use yellow for the paddle ends. Now let's color the boat. We'll use a beautiful green color. Wow! Our green boat looks fantastic! Finally, let's color the water. Use blue for the waves.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.